we made it out to the Dominator. We're in Topeka, Kansas. Let me introduce you guys to the crew before we hit the road. Will, appreciate you making this happen, brother. Absolutely. We got in contact with each other. You're navigating and driving?
Yep, Matt.
Yes, sir, Matt. Dude, this thing is unbelievable. You got bulletproof windows in this thing?
2 layers.
2 layers? That is crazy. Oh, it's a Super Duty. What year is the truck?
2012.
So the frame, then did you cut it?
Yeah,
obviously you back-halved it?
Yeah, the frame got cut off right behind the rear spring hangers. Actually, It's all airbags, so it doesn't have any of the factory suspension.
Oh, so you can drop it on the ground when you want to intercept,
and
essentially?
And the back of the original cab is right here, so we still have the factory interior.
Ah, okay.
And then everything back here is just custom built.
Okay, sweet. And then obviously when you intercept, you drop the bags.
Drop the
sticker on the ground.
Oh,
you do have the pneumatic spikes on this thing? Are they air-driven or are they pneumatic?
Hydraulic.
They're hydraulic? Okay, cool. Oh, dang, it's got the SpaceX or the Tesla doors on it, the Model X. That's crazy. Does it open this way on the other side?
Yep, yeah, they all open that way.
Okay.
You can actually see, watch your head, you can see the spikes right here.
Oh, dang. Yeah, they are hydraulic. That is wild. This thing is purpose-built, huh? So what, we got 4 guys riding it? Oh, we got 5 seats.
And then we got what we call a rocket seat in the back. That's usually where I sit. That's where I run all the live stream equipment. And, we shoot sensors right into the tornado from this.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
Air can, we'll get in a tornado, reach out the window and shoot sensors into it and then track those sensors up into a tornado.
You don't have to retrieve them though, right?
We try to get better data off of them, but they live stream the data back.
Dang, you guys got this thing rigged out. So what, you got the new 6.7 out? Is this a fresh block or is this
it's a pull out, so it's actually a 22 long block.
Oh, really?
The steel pistons and everything.
Yep.
But we got to pull out. One is faster to get for our timeline, and it's already broken, so we can just really.
Did you guys see that DCR conversion on this from SNS?
Yep.
When you put it back in?
Conversion. We've got their top mount fuel filter.
Oh, I've got that too.
Yeah, I like it.
The LPK, right?
Yeah.
Leak prevention kit. This is actually off market. It's coming later this year from SNS, but it's pretty sick. And then that's the stock turbo, isn't it?
That is a turbo from a 2017. So, 22 long block, 2017 turbo, 2012 chassis. So we can only go up with the turbo to the 2017 because of the way the actuations and stuff happens.
It's probably better not to mess with it on this thing. Keep it stock.
Yeah.
Dang. She sounds good, Matt.
Sounds good.
She sounds healthy.
Yep, brand new engine.
Yep. She's ready to rip. We should take her through the car wash, don't you think?
Well, hopefully we'll take it through a tornado car wash today and just clean it right up, maybe shave everything off the top.
As long as it's touchless though, right?
Yeah, always touchless.
She sounds good, dude. She sounds healthy.
Oh, yeah.
You did a good job.
It runs really good.
Look at that, the airbags kicking in. How much clearance does this thing have when it's at full ride height?
So if you include the skirt, it's about 4 to 5 inches, but the skirt's flexible, so to the top of this, it'll be about 10 to 12 inches.
It's almost like a hovercraft.
Yeah, it'll raise up a little bit more.
Now the whole truck's on bags, right?
Yeah.
All the stock suspension
All
is
bags,
gone. No shocks, no springs. Yeah.
And that way when they're intercepting a tornado, they can let the air out of the bags. The truck will sit on the ground, so that way air doesn't get underneath it and flip it over. Pretty cool engineering.
So that, open the door.
You don't want to sit there.
No. Maybe we do. Maybe we do.
If I do that, kicks the door open.
Yep. Dang, dude, this is high tech.
Try to be.
Some redneck engineering for sure, but it works. We got some big towers forming out in the distance. Probably gonna get into some good stuff tonight. We're excited.
Now it's only like 2 o'clock right now. We're expecting it to start picking up around 5 to 7 o'clock. Luckily it doesn't get dark out till 9. Matt and Reed have been watching the forecast in a bunch of different models. It looks like we're in the right area to be in Topeka. Might move a little bit north to start off the day and then work our way towards the southeast. See what we can get into, but it's looking pretty promising.
Matt, how do you feel about Kansas getting cracked?
Feel good about it. It's about time. Kansas hasn't gotten cracked that much recently, but we're going to go in there and thrust ourselves within, so
yeah,
that's what we're going to do.
Looking for a hog out here?
Yeah, I'm looking for a nice big hog with a fat tip. You can keep that in.
This guy is unhinged, I swear.
Holy live stream network.
Getting
Jeez
ready.
Louise. This is
Built by this guy.
Yeah?
Right here, all by him.
But you're running it?
I'm running it today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here's all our camera angles we got going. We got a camera right here for the boys in the back. Matt and Reed got one up front.
And don't forget about that camera, the roof cam.
Oh, the roof cam is sick. Let's see where that thing's at. Right there. Everything's crazy. What do you got here, dude?
Chinese roof cam here.
No way. You can zoom in and stuff.
It's a little shaky, yeah. Is that gauge?
That's pretty sick.
Gotta be hard for you.
I think that's
Gauge.
Gage.
Yeah, that's our search and rescue guy.
Really?
Yeah, that's Gage.
So what does he do?
So Gage is, he actually got us out of it. He does search and rescue for our team, so we can keep chasing and he'll actually go and help if there's damage.
Got it.
But he just recently helped us get a tornado intercept. We got stuck in a ditch. Toto basically tied us up to his truck, got us out of the ditch.
So he kind of follows us around and
Yeah, he'll be following us, and if there's any damage, he will
Stop and hang out.
Stop and help.
Help out,
Or if we
okay.
get stuck, he can pull us out of the mud.
yeah, that thing looks pretty kitted out back there.
So this is one of the sensors right here.
Did you 3D print that?
Just the cases.
Yeah.
So I'll actually show you an actual sensor, but we
So
launch
this
it.
is transmitting data back to the
Yeah.
Dominator.
Yeah, so we shoot it out there, parachute opens up and carries the sensor up into the tornado, and it's collecting all kinds of
And this has a
extra
GPS
data.
on it as well, so you can go
Yeah.
find it after and get the higher res
Yeah.
data off of it.
Yeah, and it transmits it all back here. Then you can actually watch it flying on that screen right there.
No
You'll see it
way.
Flying up into the tornado.
Wait, it has a camera on it?
No, like you'll see the data. It'll be like a data
Oh.
flying up on a map.
Yep. Okay. So you got a whole Pelican case full of these things ready to rip.
Yeah, so they're on this charger right now. They're staying charged up. But
Okay.
as soon as you pull it out, like this one,
She's ready to go.
yeah, see it turned on. There's a light.
Oh, I see. Yep.
It's ready to go.
Nice. And you just put them in basically the bead blaster.
Yeah, just stick it out the window.
So the goal is to launch a couple of these today. We
Yeah,
get
that's
close
the goal.
enough?
That's a goal.
All right, guys, we are in Topeka, Kansas. It's currently 3 o'clock, and storms are expected to be popping up around 5 to 7, so we're going to hit the road around 4. We got about an hour to kill, so Reed and the boys are fishing. I thought I'd sit here and enjoy this nice Midwest grass, because the grass in Florida sucks. This is where it's at. We got Dominator in the background, ready to rip.
Northeastern Kansas is going to get fucking pounded. Just bam, bam, bam. It looks like northeastern Kansas is going to get some severe weather tonight with tornadoes, big time hail, and big boy winds on the menu. Again, if you're from Salina all the way to the KC Metro, you're going to see some shit. So you got to keep your eye on the sky. We're going to be chasing tornadoes out here in northeastern Kansas, and then that will turn into a long line and just go right deep into southwestern Missouri. It'll turn into a long, big time line. So folks, I'll see you on the next one. Suck my tip.
Right now we got an outflow boundary lifting northwest through Manhattan. Unstable outflow boundary zone, so we should have supercell development in an hour or two. We'll be lucky to survive this evening.
Lucky to survive it. You said we already got a severe storm warning, and the skies look blue, brother.
Yeah, they're blue. That's what makes the instability out here. That's what cooks the outflow boundary. We've got easterlies at the surface. I think it's going to fire just west of us near Manhattan.
Oh, brother.
Once the storm pops, then we'll get aggressive with it.
Well, I'm fired up. You ready to hit the road?
I'm ready.
Turn the live stream on, show the people what it's about. Let's
Never
get it.
stop chasing. Check us out on the live stream, Team Dominator. We're going live at 5 p.m., I think.
Dang right. Let's do it.
We are live, targeting northeastern Kansas. Volatile outflow boundary zone. We are dominating today. It is cooking out here. We've got 70s dew points. We've got an outflow boundary trying to merge with the frontal zone. And we've got a supercell already erupting up in front of us here, Hiawatha, Kansas. We're still not sure that's our target, but it is right now. And at least it's our target. But we are back looking for a flagpole intercept. Team Science is back. We have got local man weather dominating on his iPad. And we've got supercells that are already erupting. They always form in pairs. We've already done some fishing. We've got an egg-based diet to start today, 4 to 6 eggs for the team. And we have a new guest as well.
Oh, we're out here looking for some spinning clouds in Kansas. Trying to see if we can find get some data for the people.
We call him the dentist. The dentist is back.
I'm off the clock today, though. All right, don't call until Monday. We got an emergency.
What they're looking at out here is you can see this anvil forming, these lighter clouds up on top. For the heavier stuff, there's definitely rain going on in here. I don't know if you can see this radar right here, but we are trying to intercept this guy right there. It's looking healthy.
So we have a storm out in this direction, which is moving east. We have a storm out in that direction, which is coming towards us. So we have two storms, and we can choose. We're probably going to choose the one that's
Coming instead of chasing the other one. Yeah. But they're both looking pretty serious.
Yeah, they're both. You can almost see. I can pull it up on my radar. I'll show you here. So if we go in here, pop on in.
Oh, dang.
Yeah. So you can see this is our location right here.
Yep.
And if we look out, we've got this storm right here. That's this kind of big blob.
Yep.
And then out to the left, we've got this cluster of supercells. And this
That's
one.
brewing pretty good too.
Yeah.
One's gonna have massive hail in it.
Massive hail?
Yep.
Oh man. When you say massive, you're saying golf ball?
Golf ball and bigger.
Dang.
Could get baseball, softball today.
Really? Rain has started, no hail yet, but we are looking like we're going into the thick of it. Holy snikes. We're trying to get over there on the south side of it, which would be like right there. We got heavy rain going on right now. It's about to clear up as we move south to get below this cell and try and come at it from underneath.
We're mothershipping. Got a wet, hail-filled RFD with eddies all along the front edge of it. That's merged with the outflow boundary, and we've got a lot of spin on this thing, folks.
Jesse's out here like a hound dog out the window, letting his cheeks flap. We got some really nice clouds lowering over here. About to head more west, right south right now. Trying to get up underneath it right there. We are right there. Dang, look at that.
There, a little ball in the middle. Possible dynamic bicycle west. And right over the road, spinning, rapid movement in front of us, look.
Yep.
We got rapid movement, folks.
Dang.
Rapid movement. We might be trying to produce in front of us.
We got a lot of movement going on. The clouds right above us. Oh, tons of movement. Got a ton of storm watchers around here. Got this huge wall coming right over the top of us. We got left to right movement. This thing is lowering. Really looking good.
It looks like it's pulling in easterlies right here, don't you think? That's trying to get vertical on the front side. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a cut. Should maybe go back and go east. Let's go back and east. Might do it. Let's go, Jesse. Jesse, let's go.
So what do we got? We got motion.
Yeah, rotation up here.
Rotation.
It's rapid big time, see it?
Oh yeah. Rapid movement ahead of us and behind us.
Right here, guys.
Got something?
Upper right. Look. Oh no, there it is.
Oh! There it is. Spin it.
Touch it down. Have it right now.
So right now we're headed 15 minutes south to try and catch the front edge of this hook where they just announced a tornado warning. And it's looking pretty stout down there. Nice wall dropping low, which is what we're looking for. Right there, that whole wall. What we're headed towards right now. Oh, man. Holy shelf cloud. It is windy. Well, guys, I had a blast today riding along on the Dominator 3. If you don't already follow Reed, make sure you do. I'll leave his channel in the description below. We didn't find any naders, but we got into a really sick storm, and it was awesome running with these guys. They have some cojones, I'll put it at that, and this truck is absolutely rigged out. He's been driving this thing for like 13 years on the Discovery Channel and now doing his own thing on YouTube and Facebook. So shout out Reed and the boys. I had a blast with you guys, and thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.
Focus where the lens is, custom made for me the metric. Show you fit right in the schedule, and girl, you fit like Lululemon, and yeah, I'm lost for words. Tell me who's running first, no mistakes.